Riyadh to mat number 7. Riyadh to mat 7. You have less than 1 minute to go to 7.
We got him. Nice. Competition, that's it. He's not scoring.
Oh, heavy pulling guys back, man. Don't let him do like that. Yeah.
That's it. Make him work for it. That's it. Make him work for it. That's it. Head up.
Yes, go. Yes.
That's okay.
Curtis Schroeder, you have less than 15 seconds to report to number 6.
Yes, go.
Curtis Schroeder to number 6, you got less than 15 seconds.
That's it.
Nice pull.
That's it, Nick. That's it, Nick. Go back. Let's go.
Come on, keep pushing it.
No point.
Let's do it in balance, nice side. Nice pull.
No be about more intermediate goal, about 230. It pays Josh and Callum. Again, I goes Josh and Callum.
Let's go.
Come on, Cole, keep working that. Head on the inside.
That's it. Inside, circle. Let's go. Scroll.
Watch your head.
You're
pushing the pace, man. You're pushing the pace. Keep it up. Watch the guillotine.
Daniel McLennan, come back here real quick. Daniel McLennan, come back here real quick. To the head table, real quick.
Inside.
Lock it. Finish that. Beautiful. You almost distracted him.
Point major, please approach man.
Walking in the mall. It was very scary. I lost my keys for my car and my house key. It was so scary. I went in the mall, then I went to a store outside the mall, and then I had a watch, and the watch is in my pocket that I need to get fixed. You know, the watch was like a little bit too big for my hand, so I need to get it adjusted. So the watch and the key was in the same pocket, in my pants pocket. So I took the watch out, didn't realize that the key came out at the same time and fell. So I was about to exit the mall. Then I realized that my car key was missing. So I went back and started to walk around the mall looking for my keys. Yeah, so I went back in the mall and realized that I need to find my keys. It was very scary. But however, I circled around every place I went because I was looking for the store to get my watch adjusted. So I backtracked and then I said, well, you know what? I need to check the security and because they might have access, to the intercom that they could make announcement. And so two security guy was coming up. So good thing security, thank God for security. And I just, you know, pass on the information to them. And you know what? They had the key. They said, um, remember that I said I went outside the mall to a particular store. And so when I was coming back from the store, it seemed like that's where it happened. I took the watch out because I need to get the watch adjusted. And then the key was in the same pocket and the key fell. And that's what happened. So my key was lost. Anyway, guys, thank God I find my key. Ooh, wow. Look at snow. Wow. Look at my balcony. Wow. It's covered with snow. Look, it's high. If I should go out in the balcony now, that would be like way past my knee. Man, holy smokes. Look at that. You can't even see far. You can't even see far. Oh my gosh. See one car, see two car passing by out there on the road out there. Look at the trees, look at snow. So today is Sunday and snow is falling from today all since morning and it will be falling all night into tomorrow. I think they said tomorrow morning before it completely tape off. And then driving gonna be bad. Thank God there's no work today for me. But tomorrow I'll be going to work tomorrow afternoon. Hoo-hoo! Ha! Wow! Man, look at the snow. So that was my balcony upstairs. Look there, look at the snow. That is on the balcony. Look, and it's pouring down still. So that was upstairs on my balcony, and this is downstairs balcony now. Look, look at the trees out there. Look how the snow is falling. This reminds me back into the 1980s when snow used to fall like crazy in the 1980s. Because a few years late, go back in a few years, we're not getting a lot of snow like this. So this is a typical January, February next month weather. Yes. And man, if you should go outside now, it's like crazy, crazy. Can't see nothing, nowhere to walk. Man, it's amazing. But it's beautiful. Oh wow, look at it. Wow. So this is Canada. Welcome to Canada, guys. Snow all over the place. bad driving, and I'm not supposed to do that. Just cut out before the bus and you. Two cars. Don't do that. And then him not have enough space, so you have to.
She wasn't planning ahead.
Yeah, because you have to stop in the road now. That's not good driving. Do it when you're clear, and she wasn't clear.
Should have gone the other way.
Okay, once it's light down there. Maybe something because, well, I guess it's cool.
It's everything.
Mm-hmm. Because if it's not anything, it should be moving fine.
So
Yeah, because you can't see past him.
just make
And
a left and come back.
and another bus stop here. So again, I don't know if he, well, maybe he's moving. I don't know. See, it's a long bus though. Make it worse, not the short one. So people can turn right, or you can go left and go straight. Wow. Right in the intersection. So terrible. Big bus died right there. Oh, no police not gonna come close off it.
Well, they're gonna have to.
Yeah, they're gonna have to. They're gonna come
Because
on.
it's unsafe.
Well, they will close off and let traffic out. Holy smokes. A big long bus right in the middle. Block only. Block traffic.
I hope we're able to make a left.
Yeah, because I see people do it. They go left and go straight. Should be able to. Like the.
Well, our light's green now, so.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, just take your time and watch. I see those going right. See the bus man in going straight. So that's what you do. Come on, guy, follow.
Let's go.
I don't know what him there waiting
You're
for.
just stalling.
Before him just view and watch.
Watch out.
See? You see me now? If you been gone a long time,
Not to go all the way up and come back
Yeah,
in this crap.
yeah. Go on,
Oh, this is annoying. Can you put your phone down, please? There's nothing to record. Hurry up. Go.